Welcome to the channel, everybody. Today we're doing things a bit differently. We're in a village within a city. We're in Hampstead.
And this is Flask Walk, which is named after the Flask Tavern, a Grade 2 listed building which originally sold mineral water during the 18th century at 3p a flask.
This section of Flask Walk has lots of fantastic independent businesses, cafes, little tiny eateries and some amazing antique bookshops. Look at the cakes in the window here, wow, spoilt for choice. But the other end is more residential, up near the Flask where we came in, and Sid Vicious from the Sex Pistols used to live up there for a while. As I said, some amazing businesses here, brilliant cheese shop there and a gelato shop just before. This leads out from Flask Walk onto Hampstead High Street, but we're hungry and we spotted a bagel shop back there, so we're going back.
Et çok şeyinden değil. Böyle bir vaziyet olsa anca doyar. Et olsa adamlar çabuk
Fabulous salt beef bagel with pickles, sauerkraut and mustard, olive and sage in Flask Walk. We're heading out onto Hampstead High Street now, which has lots of independent shops to look at. Very, very interesting part of Hampstead. You wouldn't think this was London. It looks like just an ordinary English town.
Look at that amazing bread. I can't stop, just had a bagel. those oranges look amazing. Bailey and sage. Great deli. Right, we're going to cross the road here and go up Perrin's Court. There's even a little community market here. How fantastic. Little fruit and veg stall. No shortage of fruit and veg in Hampstead Village, I can tell you. And look at these fantastic flowers. What a display. I wouldn't like to be the one packing away at night though. So much to put away and they're so delicate. So much to see in Hampstead. Here's a nice old pub.
That's the King William IV. You can stay there for the night if you fancy it, but it's meant to be haunted, so I don't think I'll bother.
Now it's very narrow, the cobbled street here. You could probably drive a motorcycle or a mobility scooter up here. Double yellow line, so you can't park your bicycle up here. And then the yellow line's narrow to nothing and it's pedestrianised. What a great little place though. Some great cafes and businesses up here. Quite quaint.
Thank you very much.
Vegan.
Hampstead, of course, is well known for attracting celebrities, and some of the celebs who currently live in Hampstead are Dame Judi Dench, Helena Bonham Carter, Harry Styles, Ricky Gervais and Sam Smith. Harry Styles apparently owns several properties here and is often seen in some of the local cafes.
Now we're heading out onto Heath Street, and Heath Street used to be the main street in Hampstead. Love the colouring on those old buildings across the road. Now the Horseshoe pub here on the corner unusually has a theatre above. The Pentameter Theatre has been above the Horseshoe pub for over 50 years. On the right here is Harley's Butchery and Rotisserie, but the weird thing is they do amazing cheesecakes and chocolate mousse. I don't normally mention chains, but Gale's Bakery started here in Hampstead Village.
Wheel of paper. Anyway.
The building up ahead with the clock tower is Hampstead's old town hall. It's not a town hall anymore, it's now offices and shops, but it's a beautiful building, and look at that lovely clock tower.
Now the building on the corner hidden by scaffolding is Hampstead Underground Station. It's the deepest underground station on the whole of the underground network in London. Busy today, bit of a traffic jam in Hampstead Village. It is a popular place. We'll explore the rest of Heath Street on another day. There's so much more to see here in Hampstead Village, but for now we're going to start heading back towards the Flask. Quite appropriate really, we're heading back down Back Lane.
You don't expect to see a little cobbled lane with such pretty little cottages right in the heart of London.
You certainly don't. That's about it from us today. Thanks for joining us on this walk around Hampstead Village. Don't forget, tell your friends, share and subscribe to the channel, and you never know, we may come to a town, village or city near you soon. Take care.